Hello guys, so in this video we will be working with Leetcode question number 2, add two numbers. So this is the problem statement. If you want you can pause the video and read through it. So basically the question is asking us like the digits are stored in reverse order, like this is actually 342 as you can see here, and this is 465. We have to add it and return it as a reverse order as well. So let's start working with it then. Alright, so first of all I'll be taking a dummy node. Like before this node I'll be taking a node so that I can iterate through that node and create these nodes like the linked list nodes, and then just return this dummy nodes next node, which will be the head of the resulting list. So for that I'll create a dummy, and dummy will be a list node. I'll leave the values as default, like that is value 0 and next as none. For this dummy I'll assign another pointer that is head. Why am I doing this is because I need this dummy to iterate through the list, and I need this head to so that I have some, like while I'm returning I know where my head is currently sitting right now. Alright, now I'll take a variable, like if you can see here 6 and 4, if you add that you get 10, but since we are only storing the last digit that is 0, and we take a carry over that is 1 carry over and add that to here 3 4 plus 1 8. So I'm taking a carry variable here. Now while L1 and while L1 or L2 or carry, if any of these are not, if carry is not 0, if L2 is not none, L1 is not none, this loop should go and we should be creating a new node and adding the value to it. So this will look like this. Suppose like this will avoid using another loop. For suppose if we exhaust one of the list and another list is still remaining to be explored, in that situation we will have, if we just use some L1 and L2 like this condition, we will have to use another loop for the remaining for the next list, that whichever has nodes that are not yet added to the new linked list that we need to return. So what we will do is, if L1 carry plus equal to L1 dot val and L1 equal to L1 dot next. Similarly, if L2 carry plus equal to L2 dot next and L2 equal to L2 dot val and L2 equal to L2 dot next. Now we can go ahead and create the dummy dot next node. Because we already have a dummy node, we have to create a next node so that we know this will be the head of new list. So we get dummy dot next equal to list node, and the value will be, now see, suppose the carry here is a little misleading name, it is actually the whole sum, plus I will be changing that carry to the carry over only the like carry only. So if you see here 6 plus 4 we have 10, so we have to take the last digit, right? How can we get the last digit is by doing percentage. So if I did %10 I will get the last digit only, right? Now I'll also do dummy equal to dummy dot next. Now I have to change the carry as well. So carry will be carry by 10. So now we get this will be the real carry, and in here it is actually the whole sum of L1 dot val, L2 dot val, and the carry from previous computation. That's about it. Now we return the head dot next. Since we had head tied to dummy, but we carried the dummy forward to compute these operations, then we needed the head for returning at this point. Let's check. 708 708, and it's accepted. So this is the code for add two numbers, Leetcode question. Thank you guys.